We're gonna break the bridge. If people come, then we'll break the bridge. If no people come, then we won't break the bridge. This person, this is my friend, Wolf277, and this is my friend named Jammer with these socks and a scarf. And we're gonna break the ice. But my other friend left. See, this is non-member land. Got not new Jammer. We also have new Jammer. And we have Wolf277. We have new Jammer. We have new Jammer. And we also have me, new Jammer. Because Animal Jam doesn't yet approve of my username. See, these are my friends. I'm recording a part dial. Let's get this enough so you won't probably not. I'm on the cool. Can't spell cool. I made a new AJ. Yeah, I'm a new AJ. This is my new AJ, and you won't find out the username until you find out the when AJ approves of my username. You will see I have a fantastic username, and it's also the name of. Wait, hold on, I won't tell you that yet. Even though if you look at my YouTube name, then you will know my Animal Jam username because it says Channel AJ. So you will know my username. Oh no, my friend left. I'll never be able to break the bridge. No. Why? I'll never be able to break the bridge. Because all of my friends left me alone. Forever and ever and ever. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I was just with my friends, but I have no friends. Oh, I'm just gonna go